If you want to speed up your Redmi 15, here's what you can do. So first of all, we can go to the security app, which you can find in the home screen or in the app drawer. So look for security and then you go over here. And then, as you can see, we have a prompt that can sometimes tell you that you can optimize something. So you can press optimize and then let the app run through the system security, cache, and security of apps. And after that, you can use suggestions that you may see after the scanning and optimizing is done. So let's wait for the result. There we go. So here we have all these things that we can do in order to potentially improve the speed of the device, but this is just a couple of these things. Besides that, you should be able to also use a cleaner, which is also something that we can do quite regularly in order to make sure that we don't have any obsolete files or cache files sitting on our phone. Of course, this can also speed up our device just a little bit. Now, besides that, we can also go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna scroll down and we want to choose additional settings. Then over here, go to memory extension, and you want to make sure that you are using as much memory extension or RAM boost as possible in order to, well, make sure that you use the most of it. So if you have 2 GB selected or 1 GB, or even if it's disabled, you can try to use 4 GB instead. And if you decide to make a change, you might need to reboot your device afterwards, but of course you can also do this later by yourself. Last but not least, it is also recommended to go to background apps or recent apps from time to time in order to close apps that are still opened in the background. So if you have the standard style of background apps, then you can swipe to the left or to the right in order to close a single app, or you can press on this X at the bottom in order to get rid of everything. And this can also help you speed up your device a little bit. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.